Welcome to the surface modeling session. So in this session I will teach you that how we can design this kind of surface model. So I will teach you that surface modeling in this wireframe. So before that I will show you that what is the topic. So in the surface modeling topic I will teach you simple shape like cylinder, block, sphere and cone and torus. These all are the simple shape option. Without wireframe you can create these 3D models. And the next one is create using by revolve, loft and sweep, 3D hole patch up using power surface and fill holes, and then surface extend, and the last one will be practical surface modeling in this 3D wireframe. So let's start. So first of all I will teach you that how we can use basic options. So I will open a new tab, new, don't save. Okay, so this is the surface tab. So we will start from simple shape. So first option is cylinder, block, sphere, cone and torus. So these are the very simple shape, and you will get all these options in solid tab also. So you can utilize both options from both windows. So we will start from simple shape. So suppose you have to create a simple shape. So click here, cylinder. So select the base point, this is the center point, and drag the mouse and drag the mouse in Z depth. So you can create cylinders without any wireframe. So as you can see, if you have to give radius, simply you can give the radius value. So I need 25, so diameter will be 50 mm, and Z depth I need 50 mm also. Okay, so this is the 3D surface simple shape. Without wireframe we can create this kind of surfaces. And also there is option for angle trimming. If you have to trim that area in 90 degree, so simply you can trim that by using these both cursors. Okay, so it was cylinder, and after that you can create blocks. So I will click here and I will create a block, and I will use the cursor in Z depth, and after that we will give the dimension. Length will be 25, width also 25, and the height minus 50. So this is the simple block. Without wireframe we can create this kind of blocks, surface blocks. Okay, so you can delete the surfaces. If you have to delete the face, you can easily delete that, because this is seat body. And after that you can create spheres. Simply we have to drag the mouse and give the radius 25 mm. So diameter is 50. Like that you can create cone shape at this point. You can give the base radius. So this is the base radius 25 mm, and height 50 mm. So this is the cone shape. And after that last one is torus option. So click here. So this is the major radius and this is the minor radius. This is the sweep diameter and this is the guide path. So you can give the major radius 30 and minor radius 5 mm. So simply you can do this. It's very easy. Without wireframe you can draw this kind of simple shapes. Okay, so the next thing is create. Suppose I will create a surface and get a center point, surface. Suppose you need a surface in this rectangle. So click here, flat boundary, select the wireframe, and then OK. So simply you can create that, and I will create some holes in the same surface. Okay, and I will trim this area surface. We will go to the trim to curves option. This is the modify tab, trim to curves this surface. So here you can read the instructions, select the surface and press enter, and after that it will instruct you select one more curves, this curve, this one and this one, and then OK. Indicate the area to keep. So which area you want to keep, select that and slide the arrow to the location keep after trimming. This area we have to keep. So it has been trimmed. Okay, all right. So the next one is suppose we have to patch, we have to fill this all holes. So how we can do that? So there is option for fill holes. So select on that and select the surface, this surface, and slide the arrow onto the hole boundary. So this area we have to fill. Okay, so the next thing you will get here, fill all internal holes on the same surface. So I will click here, fill all internal holes. So you can see how easily it has been patched in a single option. Okay, so the next thing I told you how we can use power surface for 3D patch up. So I will create a 3D surface. I will create a spline like this. So we will define the plane front view. Okay, so this is the 3D wave, 3D wireframe. Surface, we will go to the surface tab and we will use draft tab, draft option. Select the 3D curve and then OK, and give the distance. I will give 100 mm. Okay, top view, and now I will make it C plane top view, construction plane, where you have to design in which view you are working. You have to keep that plane here. So now we are working in top view, so construction plane will be top. So I will create a hole in this 3D surface, and I will give the heavy radius, and I will go to the surface tab and I will click here trim to curves. So select the surface and selection, select the curve and selection, and then keep the area. Select the area which one you want to keep. So you can see we have trimmed it, and now the main thing is how we can patch this 3D surface. Okay, so go to the surface tab, and before that I will create a curve on that same surface, and surface I will use power surface tab, power surface option. I will click on this curve and then OK. So you can see how easily it has been patched, and this surface is following the same curvature of the original surface. So you can utilize this for modeling purpose, or you have to patch an area, so you can use that. So these are all the basic things which will be required in our toolpath session also. So now I will tell you that how we can extend the surface from this side to this side, this side and this side. So there is option for extend, and we will give the length. Suppose we have to extend it 50 mm, this side, this side, this side, this side and this side. So you can see how easily we can extend the surface edges. So it will be useful when I will teach you programming session, so that time it will be useful. And after that I will show you that how we can use extrude, sweep, revolve and loft options. So these are all the basic. So I will create a circle, this circle, and then I will show you that how we can extrude it. Extrude, select the curve and give the height 50 mm. And suppose if you need angle in this surface, you can give the angle. There is a draft angle, I will give 10 degree, perfect. And you can choose the opposite side, both side, opposite side, okay. So easily we can use these commands for extrude. And the next one is sweep command. So I will show you how we can create that. So I will create a simple guide path. So this is the guide path, and on the same curve I will create a sweep diameter. So we forgot to change the construction plane. We will keep it front view here. Okay, so now we will use surface sweep command, and first we will define the across contour. So this is the across contour and this is the along path. So we will define the first across contour, and then second one we will click OK, and then we will define the along contour, because this is the path. This curve will follow this path, and then OK. So you can see how easily we can sweep this surface. So if you need a perfect shape, then you need to rotate this across curve with the perpendicular of this curve. Okay, so we can use this option also, and there is option for net. So I will show you that how we can use that. I will create a curve on this face, and I will select all those curves and then hide it. Now we will use net option, net, select the curve first, second, third and the fourth one, done. So you can see how easily we can create surfaces by using net option. So if you have four curves, so simply you can use the net command. You can utilize this option for patch up and also for modeling purpose. So in the next session I will show you that how we can design a surface model with these 3D curves.